Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Today is the 30th of April. Lots going on this weekend and in the upcoming week, so listen tight. Here are your announcements for next week, the 3rd through the 7th. Everyone say good morning, Mrs. Caps.
Good morning.
All right. Here's your junior high stuff. Please click on this band sign-up link yonder to get... Just give me some feedback whether you're staying in band next year, whether you're dropping, or whether you're doing both band and chorus, or whether you're changing instruments. Please just follow that link. It's about 4 questions long. One of those is asking for your name. So fill out that survey so that I know who's doing what, and I can give that info to the office. Next Friday is band day, so that means 5th, 6th, and 7th graders, you'll have band on Friday. 8th graders, you won't. 8th grade, you have 4th hour lessons next week. 5th grade drummers, here's your assignments. Snare drum is going to be Clara, Ember, Gwen, Chaz. Auxiliary is Avery, Maya, Braxton, Allison. And for my bells is Addison, Isaac, Elliot, and Lucas. If you are a current 8th grader, we're going to have new member marching band camp for those of you who will be freshmen next year, which is all my 8th graders. It's going to be the last day of school, May 26th. It's going to be 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. if everything goes well. It'll be at the high school. What I'll be teaching you is how to march, how to hold your instrument. It's pretty low stress, and it's just new members, so you don't have to worry about looking dumb in front of people who've been doing this for 3 years already. At 5:30, I'll have some pizza delivered to us, and it'll be super cool. So get that in your calendar, please. Let's see. If you are quarantined, go ahead and hop on Zoom and join us for your class period so that you can have some fun playing your instrument with your friends. All right, high school kiddos, again, fill out this enrollment link for next year. And next Friday, I should add a combo sign up to that. I'll do that. Next Friday is going to be a band day, so make sure that you are here, chorus kids, band kids. High school band and choir concert is next Wednesday, Cinco de Mayo. It's 7 o'clock p.m. We are going to set up right after school, and our call time is 6 o'clock. Make sure that you wear nice clothes and maybe something a little festive. It'll be outside the South Link entrance near the Circle Drive, hopefully, weather permitting. Now, if the weather does not permit, like they were forecasting some rain, the rain date for this is the following day, May 6th, which is Thursday. It'll still be at 7 p.m., but we will let you know if we need to go that route. High school graduation is Sunday, May 16th at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Call time is 2 o'clock. It is an outdoor graduation, so bring maybe a hat and some sunglasses. Memorial Day, let's see, the parade is actually at 10:30, so that's going to move our warm-up time back to 10 o'clock. I'll fix that before I send this out in PDF form. It's May 31st in Gridley, warm-up at 10, parade at 10:30, and then the ceremony is at 11 at the cemetery. We will bring snacks to share for between the parade and the ceremony. Show choir showcases tonight and tomorrow. The performances start at 6:30. Our call time for tonight is 5:30, and combo, I still don't know what time exactly they want you there for photos, but Mr. Schaefer and I will figure that out today and let you know. Let's see, other stuff. Senior gifts. If you did not get that senior gift money turned in, please do that. Jackie and Morgan are going shopping for that, I think, this weekend. If you're interested in doing leadership, please reach out to me by email, and we'll get all that stuff set up. Yep, cool, that's it. Have a great Friday, have a great weekend, and I'll see you all next week, if not sooner. Bye.